Welcome back, everyone. Today we are making the Golden Bourbon Finch cocktail. We are going to start off with ½ ounce of fresh squeezed lime juice, ½ ounce of simple syrup, 1.5 ounces of pineapple juice, clearly not fresh squeezed, Anyway, 0.75 ounces of Amaro, and then 1.5 ounces of your favorite brand of bourbon. We're going to add ice to our shaker tin. We're going to shake for about 10 to 15 seconds until it's ice cold in your hands. We are going to add ice to our rocks glass. Then we are going to double strain, just because I know my cameraman does not strain my lime juice.
Yeah, I did. I did.
Oh, did you?
This time, yes.
Did you?
This time I did.
Woo! She to the brim.
I thought you looked like you had an extra cube in there.
Whoopsies. And then, of course, garnish is going to be a beautiful lime wedge. If you know how to cut one, as I've discovered, some people in the audience do not know how to cut a proper lime wedge. Dear Lord, have mercy on us all. But there we have our Golden Bourbon Finch cocktail. Of course, I'm going to taste it. I am going to give you my honest opinion. I'm going to rate it as well. 1 is I would have one cocktail and move on to the next one. 5, I would probably drink them all night and hate myself in the morning. So let's see where we are today. Definitely more bourbon forward smelling with a hint of lime. Oh, interesting. So it's sweet from the pineapple. You taste a lot of the pineapple. I mean, there's 1.5 ounces in there. You still taste the bourbon right at the forefront, but you do get like the herbally bitterness coming from the Amaro, which gives it a nice bit of complexity. This is a very easy to drink cocktail. It's definitely got some unique flavors in there. So it may not be for everybody, but it does have a little bit more of a sweetness to it. I will give you that. For me, I'm going to give this one a 4 out of 5. Delicious cocktail. I do genuinely recommend giving this a try because it is very tropical tasting, even with the bourbon in it. Anywho's, 4 out of 5 for me. Of course, ingredients are going to be listed down below. That way you can build the cocktail right at home. Let me know what your thoughts are. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you all at the next pour. Cheers.